The increasing gale or storm signal number 9 is now in force. At 10 p.m., Typhoon Koinu was centered about 70 kilometers south-southwest of the Hong Kong Observatory and is forecast to move west-northwest slowly, edging closer to the Pearl River estuary. Typhoon Koinu is now closest to Hong Kong and will maintain a distance of about 60 to 70 kilometers from the Hong Kong Observatory in the next couple of hours. From the radar imagery, we can see that intense rain bands associated with Koinu are now affecting Hong Kong. Since midnight, more than 50 millimeters of rainfall were recorded over Hong Kong Island, Kowloon, and the eastern parts of the new territories. Under the influence of Koinu, gale force winds are affecting many places over the territory, with occasional storm force winds offshore and on high ground. Winds at Huamaozhou, south of Hong Kong, continued to strengthen in the past 1 hour. Local winds will change gradually from northerlies to easterly winds. Areas which were previously sheltered may become exposed. Members of the public should stay on high alert. Depending on changes in local wind conditions, the observatory will assess the need for issuing the hurricane signal number 10. Finally, please be reminded to stay at a safe place. As seas are very high and there are swells, stay away from the shoreline and low-lying areas, and not to engage in water sports activities.